Meaning of Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen is a chain of soft-serve ice cream and fast food restaurants. The name Dairy Queen originated in 1940, when the first store was opened in Joliet, Illinois. The founder, Sherb Noble, wanted to convey the image of a queen who ruled over a dairy product line. Today, Dairy Queen operates more than 6,000 stores across the world, serving a variety of frozen treats, hot dogs, burgers, and other fast food items. It is known for its iconic Blizzard treat, which is made by blending soft-serve ice cream with mix-ins like candy and cookies.